Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to subtract 3x minus 7y from the sum of 5x minus 8y plus 7z and 6y minus 4x minus 3z. So this means that sum means plus. That means I will need to add these two together, after which then I'm going to, from this sum, I subtract away 3x minus 7y. So a first step to make it easier for us would be to do the sum first, alright? So you will see me writing this down. 5x minus 8y plus 7z. This is one group, I'm going to add 6y minus 4x minus 3z. And do take note, this is one group of 5x minus 8y plus 7z. This is also one group of 6y minus 4x minus 3z. So I'm going to start by expanding the bracket. And from here, anything times 1 will be the term itself, meaning 1 times 5x, 1 times negative 8y, negative 8y, 1 times 7z, positive 7z, positive 1 times 6y will be positive 6y, positive 1 times negative 4x will be negative 4x, positive 1 times negative 3z will be negative 3z. And then from here, we would then have to simplify the like terms. 5x and minus 4x, this will give me 1x. Negative 8y plus 6y, that will leave me with negative 2y. Good job, everyone. And 7z minus 3z, positive 4z. Yes! So we have successfully gotten our sum. And from this sum, we are going to subtract away the 3x minus the group of 3x minus 7y. And therefore, you will see me writing this down. I am going to subtract away this group 3x minus 7y. And every time we minus or plus, do take note we are subtracting the whole group. That's why Mr. Tan here put a bracket, okay? So let's continue. So I will have x minus 2y plus 4z. I am going to, then this is minus, right? Minus how many group? One group. And therefore, negative 1 times 3x will be negative 3x. Negative 1 times negative 7y, positive 7y. And therefore, our last part would then be to simplify the like terms. X minus 3x, negative 2x, negative 2y plus 7y, positive 5y, and the last is my 4z. There's only 4z and it's a positive 4z. And we have come to the final answer. So if you like this video, do feel free to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.